What's the shortest trip you've ever taken? However long it was, it can't beat this. Picture it. 1628, a grand Swedish warship, Vavasa, sets off on its maiden voyage. It's all pomp and circumstance, a crown jewel of naval power. But alas, fate, or faulty engineering, had other plans. Did you know it sank after sailing just 1,300 meters? That's less than a mile? The Vasa was too top-heavy, with too many cannons and a serious lack of ballast. A gust of wind sealed its fate, plunging the pride of Sweden to a watery grave. Imagine that, Titanic-level irony. It's a story of ambition, failure, and, well, the undeniable power of gravity. Follow for more.